Okay, now we will talk about the research groups. If you open the main page on palosha.net, you will see here research groups. Okay, so what's research groups? In short, many universities, most of the universities, they don't provide you your own web page on the university page where you can manage your research group, your coworkers, group members, your projects, your papers, and your research interests like that. Those type of things. Mostly universities don't provide that, so we provide you this platform for free. So if you are a group leader and you want to have your research group on our page, what you need to do, just click this link. Okay, start your own research group, and you need to sign in with your email and password. And if you're not registered, you get registered from this register button. Okay, and also you can follow the documentation from what how to begin. Okay, so log in and you will see here my research group. So I did not create a research group, and I will start my new research group, or I have a research group, but I want to create my own web page here. Okay, so click the button, create new research group, and check your university. If your university is not in the list, click to add if not in the list. Okay, so for example, I'm working at Karachi University. uh, I write it in English, Karachi University, and we have most of the audience from Turkey, so we also write the names in Turkish. Example, Turkish name is different than Latin in English characters. It is like this: Karachi University, and the website of your university, for example, Karachi is. Let's check it. I think it's uok. uok.edu.pk. Okay, I'm uploading a video, so let's see another page. uok. uok. Okay, and this is uok.edu.pk. So add your website, and city name is not available here, so I will write city name. City name in English is in Karachi. This is in Pakistan. So that's it. Okay, we need to go through again because we add the city here. So let me write again, Karachi University, and paste the university. Okay, now select your city, and postbox is I think this is correct or whatever. Okay, add your university. Add your university. Now come back to here and you will see university name. So select your university and then research group. Suppose my research group name is supramolecular natural products or whatever. Okay, now add heading for a welcoming message. For example, you see welcome to our group or something exciting. If you want to do something like that, let me write some heading for my research group. For example, if you want to learn nature products, you are on the, or whatever you can write. Okay, now write a welcoming message. For example, welcome to the research group of blah blah blah. We work on the, you can change that later also, so it doesn't matter. If you work on the supramolecular side of and whatever, blah blah blah. Okay, now write your research interests. So when the incoming students or incoming researchers see your page, they find exact matching what they are looking for. So if you write precise and short, it will be better. So I write our research interests are okay, synthesis of chemosensors, whatever, blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Okay, now provide some keywords for your research group. For example, I will write supramolecular chemistry. These keywords will classify your group. So if you provide exact correct keywords, we will put them in our system, so they will appear in search engines and people will find you easily. Organic acids. Okay, it's enough. Okay, now if you have a research group photo of your students and your group members, it will be better, or you can also upload it later, it's no problem. Suppose, let's see, if we have a group photo, we can upload. For example, I choose this photo. Okay, now we also provide a QR code, which we already know. Students can take a photo, and this photo will divert them to your website. So if you have, you can upload, or you can upload later. And if you have a logo for your group, you can create a nice logo. For example, here is my logo. And now click create new research group. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. Now you see big name. I need to change the fonts. They're very big. Okay, so this is my group. Supramolecular nature product research. If you want to edit the information, you can click the edit. Okay, there is an error. I need to correct that later. Okay, just click the group name, and here you are. Okay, I uploaded this photo for a research group photo. So you see here is written research group photo. And here's the photo. Here was the heading which I provided. Supramolecular nature products research. No, this is the group name, sorry. Here is the heading. If you want to learn nature products, you can edit them later. And sorry for that. If you want to contact the group leader, just click this button, write your email address, and write your message. For example, I write my email, but please provide your correct email. Okay, this is just for testing. And your message: I am Dr. What is my name? Okay, I am Dr. Who. Oh, I can write Who. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm Dr. Who. I want to join your group, and send the message. So the group leader will receive this message. We have successfully delivered to the group leader. Okay, your message. Okay. Okay, what else we have here? We have main page. If you click the home page, it will bring you to the home page. your research interests that you entered. They will appear here. Okay, so you can write 2-3 paragraphs. And your group members. We haven't added group members, so no group member added yet. So let me add a student of mine. Now I will say email of my group member. Please provide the correct email. Okay, so for example, my group member. Who is my group member? Let's see. My group member is David Smith. Oh, email David. This is just supposed email. Okay. Email address of the group member. Okay. I need to correct this also. I find another mistake. This is email, and here should be the name. Okay, so provide your name. I need to correct this part, so provide your name. David Smith. I choose a photo. For example, this is David Smith. Okay. Okay, let me change this one because this was our students who died against the terrorism, against the terrorists. He was a soldier in Turkey. Okay, let me suppose this person. I like him, and he is master student, master of science student, and save. Okay, and so we have added our group member, and now if you see, it automatically brought the group leader who created this group. Okay, so I created this group, so it took automatically my name, my main branch, my position. Academic position is not added, so I need to go to my profile and edit. Okay, and my university, this is my old university, so I need to change this also. Email, phone number, and country, etc. And this is our group member. Okay, student master of science. You can add another group member. Here are my keywords, research keyword that I provided, and okay, you can add another group member. Suppose our next group member, I need to correct this one, so don't worry about this. Just provide the name. Mary Curie. I wish she would, but let's see. Okay, Marie Curie at should not make that hotmail also. So suppose, okay, suppose Zainullah, he is master. Okay, you will see here PhD student also after a few days. So I need to add this also. For example, this master student of mine, it appears here automatically. Okay, he's not Marie Curie, he's Zainullah. Okay, so this is our group members, and you can also add your projects. Okay, we have no project, so you need to show to people that we are also doing the project. So click the add project button and the project code, for example, BAP 148/16 or whatever you have, and provide a short name, for example, CAM SIN 2019 bar. Okay, and then provide a full name, for example, chemical synthesis, or it's just suppose names, so don't worry about that. Organic synthesis of boronic acid or whatever. Okay, and now the funding agency, suppose this is TÜBİTAK, and project started today and will finish in 2 years, and save. Okay, so you see here your project code, name, and the dates, the funding agency, and the budget. So we did add the budget, so we can also add the budget later. Okay. I will provide an edit button here, so in a few days, so you can edit the information also. Okay. You can also add your publications. You need to show to people that you are working very well and you have lots of publications. So click the add button, and if you see here, it's saying that get references in BIP format from Google Scholar and paste here. So how you can get here these things from Google Scholar? Okay, so go to Google Scholar, give your name. For example, I'm David Smith or whatever. Search your name, find your papers. For example, this is my paper. So click this quotation sign. If you click, you see citation information here. Click the bib text. When you click, you will see like this, a bib text citation. So select all and copy, and then come back to this page and paste here. Okay, and click save button. And you see, when you click, you will see here your reference. Okay, so this is your publication published in the chemical review letters. This is your title of the papers, authors and year, and so you can add another paper of yours. Okay, so for example, I want to get this one. Just click these quotations and click the bib text and copy all of these and paste here. And save. Sorry. Okay. So you will see your papers will be arranged in what is it called, chronological order or whatever. You from the last, for example, this was published in 2000 and this is in 97, so they will automatically arrange in that order. Okay, so you are adding your publications here, and this is for group admin. Okay, so only group admin can go here, click here, and visitors on your page will not be able to see what is inside. So I created the group. So when I click here, I will see two buttons. So I want to edit my research interests. When you click, you will see here. So I need to add sugar. Okay, just 10 minutes. Just click save, and research interests are updated. And let's see, edit the home page. This is my home page. So if the research group name is not correct, or the heading of the welcome heading, of the welcome message, and the welcome content is here. So if you want to change the group photo, you can click here. And if you have the barcode or QR code of your group, you can upload here. Or if you want to change your logo, you can click here and then save. Okay. So this is for research groups. Very simple, and in maximum 15 or 20 minutes you can create your research group. Okay, so see you later in the next video.